dear students, welcome back to the educational platform of Sri Basava Public School, Ilkal. Dear children, in the previous class, we were discussing about the lesson called An Alert Baker. Unit 2, lesson number 2, An Alert Baker. In today's session, we are going to study about reading 5 paragraphs, explanation and new words. Dear children, before going to start today's paragraphs, I would like to ask a few questions which are related to the previous paragraphs. Are you ready? Yes, here it is. First question. Which were the 2 countries involved in the battle? I am sure you know the answer. Austria and Turks. So next one question. Which is the capital city of Austria? Yes, Vienna. Vienna is the capital city of Austria. And the last question. Who heard the sound? Who heard the sound? Yes, the baker. The sound is heard by baker, or the sound is heard by baker, or else the baker heard the sound. Do you know, children, why did I ask these questions? Because you can recall the previous paragraphs. Is it clear? With this, let us move on to the next paragraphs. Here it is. I will read. You listen carefully. Brushing it aside, he began to concentrate on his dough. But lo, what was this? The sound was repeated. His curiosity was aroused. He stood absolutely still and listened carefully. The sound was coming from behind him. He turned around and cautiously moved towards the direction of the sound. The sound wasn't continuous. It would start and stop at regular intervals. Next paragraphs. The rattle was stronger now. The rattle was stronger now. He had reached a table at the other end of the room. He bent down and there he discovered the source of the noise. Below the table, in a corner, stood a toy drum. The drum belonged to Paul, his youngest son. On the head of the drum lay several marbles. The baker sat on the floor to observe the drum. Every few seconds, the head of the drum would shake and the little marbles would dance on it. That was the source of the sound. The baker became very alert. He put his ear to the ground and heard a tap-tap sound. It was almost continuous. He frowned, trying to think, what could this be? Then it struck him. This regular tapping sound was caused by the blows of pickaxe. The Turks were digging a tunnel under the walls of the city, their city. So this is the today's paragraphs. So here we have the list of meaning of new words. You can see here and take the screenshot and write it down in your English notebook, and also don't forget to underline these words in your course book. Is it clear, students? So let us know the meaning of today's paragraphs with pictures. Are you ready? Yes. In the last class, we were discussing that the baker heard the sound, a strange rattling sound. When he turned to look, suddenly the sound was stopped. Is it? So now, brushing it. Brushing it means here removing, neglecting that sound. He concentrate on his dough. Dough means here a thick flour, wheat flour mixed with water. But low means here it is an adjective. But low, again the sound was repeated. When he was busy in his work, the sound was repeated. Now, this time he was very carefully observed. He observed very carefully the sound. The sound was coming from behind him. Look at the picture. When he turned and moved towards the direction of the sound, it wasn't continuous. It would start and stop at regular intervals. Here intervals means sometime it may start, sometime it may stop. So then the sound was stronger now. Rattle means sound. The sound has become more this time. He went towards the table. Look at the picture. At the end of the other room, where he found the noise, and he bent down finding the noise. He looked at the drum and he bent down to find the noise. So there was a toy drum in the corner below the table. The drum belonged to Paul. Paul means his youngest son, the baker's youngest son. A few marbles were laid on the head of the drum. The baker sat down on the floor to observe the sound. How the drum begins the sound. Every few seconds, the head of the drum would shake and marbles would dance on it. Look at the picture. So that was the sound of that was the source of the noise. That was the sound. Which was the source of the noise? Marbles on the drum, on a toy drum. The baker became very alert and he heard the sound called tap tap by putting his ear to the ground. The sound was continued. he frowned. Frowned means displeasure. He became displeasure on his forehead, wrinkles on his forehead. Trying to think what could this be, he started to think about it. Then the sound struck him. Seriously, the baker concentrated on it. This regular tapping sound was coming from the blows of a pickaxe. Do you know pickaxe means? It is an instrument which helps to cut the woods. Then he got that Turks, our enemies, started digging tunnel under the walls of our city. Their city means Vienna city, our Vienna city. So digging the tunnel, it means the tunnel means holes in underground of the walls. Is it clear? So this is the explanation of today's paragraphs. Hope you understood clearly. Is it clear now? Yes. So we will conclude this lesson in the next session. Okay children? Now this is your homework. Take down homework. Write the meaning of new words and question answer which are given in the video. In this video. And read whole lesson 2 times. So before reading the today's paragraphs, I have given 3 question and answers. So you have to write those question also and meaning of new words. Is it clear? I hope it is clear to you all. So we will back with a new video in the next session. See you again. Thank you. Have a nice day.